definitely have to go back a little bit. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video, 2 in a row. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a vagina maintenance video. The last time I did a video like this was 3 years ago. I honestly don't remember what I said in that video. I didn't watch the video to like recap, and then that sounds horrible, but I feel like there are some things that changed. Yes, some things may stay the same, but some things have definitely changed. All right, so moving forward, vagina maintenance. So today I stopped by my local cookie wash store, Sweet Cookies, and I picked up 2 things. One of them I was completely out of. I used the last of it. Is it recording? Yes. I used the last of it today, so I had to get another one. And then there was another product that I really wanted to try. So this is them here. The one that I really want to try is this. This is the chlorophyll. Can you see that? Yes. So the chlorophyll, you're supposed to drop it, like 1 drop, into your water. I think it's 16 ounces of water. Maybe I'm reading that wrong. Yeah, 12 to 16 ounces of water. So that's like 1 regular size bottle. For me, I get those really tiny bottles of water, so it's going to be like 2 of those for me to 1 of this, right? I really want to try this because this is supposed to make the things that you excrete, like your sweat, your urine, your poop, it's supposed to give it like no smell at all, right? And that's the goal. I want to always just smell good. I want to be known as the girl who smells good. And I perspire a lot. They have a product called Sweet Cheeks where you can use it between your breasts, between your butt crack, you know, wherever that you sweat profusely. And that will help with the odor. But I don't want something that's going to mask the scent. And throughout this video, you're going to see that I like, when it comes to especially my vagina, I like to use products that are more natural. Like they have ingredients that I can read and understand. Right? If it has like fragrance and a whole bunch of this and that and that and whatever this and the third, I'm not going to use it. All right. So yes. So this in my water, I'm excited to try this. It says improves body odor, promotes clear skin, boosts energy, daily detox. And I love all of that. And then the clear skin thing, I think it ties into drinking the water because you're supposed to be drinking water. A lot of people, a lot of girls, a lot of guys out there are not drinking enough water. Think about how much water you drank today, and I'm sure it's not enough. And if you're one of those people who are doing your limit, like the amount that you're supposed to do, good for you. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna try this in my water today. Well, tonight. It's not even open. I can't open it. Anyways, the next thing, boric acid. Boric acid, I swear by this. This is hers. She calls it the Cookie Restore. Boric acid, right? It comes usually in like a suppository. You're supposed to insert it into your vagina. You're not supposed to put it in your mouth. It's not for consumption, so do not think boric acid is for consumption, right? So what I love with boric acid is that it kind of like resets your vagina, like it balances everything back out. This is what the capsules look like. You can't see there. That's what the capsules look like. They're really tiny. You insert one like every 24 hours, right? Now, that sounds a lot. But how I use this, let me see how many suppositories you get here. I think it's 20. Yeah, you get 20 here. So this would last like a good amount of time. If you have a new sex partner, pop one in when you're done having sex. That's going to help to, like I said, restore the vagina, because a lot of the times if he's, like I said, a new partner, or if his dick is like really, really big, it can throw your pH off, so that will help. If you have a yeast infection, using one of this every day for 2 weeks, gone completely. If you go to your gynecologist and ask her, babes, I have boric acid, or can I use boric acid to treat my yeast infection, she's going, or he's going to say yes. Do it every day for 2 weeks. If you have a yeast infection, I believe, don't quote me on this, that when you get your period, your next period, that will help also to balance everything out. So you can always pop them in until you start flowing, and then you should be good again. All right. Boric acid, I know, like, tried and true. If you have a yeast, if you feel yourself, like you feel the burning or the itching or the swelling, or you see the cottage cheese discharge, you pop one of these in. By the next day, you're feeling better. Horror story, right? So the other day, not the other day, a while back, I had my very, very, very first yeast infection, and I was mortified. I didn't know what to do. I happened to have boric acid here at home, right? And I was like, all right, I have it, but I feel like I should go to the pharmacy and get something. So I run to my local CVS and I pick up monostats. They have monostats 1, 3, and 7, if I'm not mistaken. I pick up monostat 1 because I'm like, I need this gone now. I was not comfortable. It was not nice. If you've ever had a yeast infection, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. So I bought my monostat, came home, sat on the bed, opened the box. I still have the box. I can show you. Opened the box, took the stuff out. I'm looking at it, reading the instructions. All right, cool, cool, cool. It came with a little cream they're supposed to use, you know, to help with the itching. Cool, cool, cool. Let me read some reviews. Baby, yeah. The women, when I tell you 99.9% of the reviews were horrible, and I had to scour to find that 0.1% of the people, or the person, literally 2 people, so they had a good result from the monostat 1. Girls were in pain. Girls felt like they were on fire. Girls were in bathtubs. Girls said they got it because they were about to go on vacation, I think like the next day or something like that. So they were like, all right, this will be quick and easy and painless. No, honey. When I tell you the reviews terrified me so much, thank God I did not use it and went the more natural route. Going with this, and even if you don't get this brand, boric acid, once it says, look at the ingredients. Look at the ingredients. I read, me can't read. What ingredients them there? Oh, here it is. It's literally at the top. Wow. Active ingredients in each suppository: boric acid powder, 600 milligrams. That is it, and that is all. You take one, you insert it, and it will just dissolve and do its thing. Make sure you put on a panty liner because, you know, the discharge is going to come out with it. After your period, like the day after, when you stop flowing, pop one in there. Yes, I know I said that, you know, when you get your cycle, it kind of rebalances everything out, but sometimes you might have a little odor after your period, you know, so you just pop one in there, balance everything out. Do not douche, do not douche, do not douche, do not douche, do not douche. If I've never said it to you before, do not douche. Okay? Okay. This is also good if you have bacterial vaginosis. Now, again, I'm not a doctor. I'll say it on my Instagram that I am. I'll say it on my Instagram that I'm a scientist, but I'm really not. I didn't do, what, did I do biology? I did human and social biology. No, did I? Whatever. Anyways, I think I passed it too. Anyways, if you feel like you have a yeast infection, the symptoms are itching, burning, swelling, and cottage cheese discharge. The discharge should be like a creamy whitey looking color, right? If those are your symptoms, it's more than likely a yeast infection. If it's a grayish color discharge, if there is any odor at all, like when you wipe, smell, or if you have to smell, then you probably don't have an odor. But if there is an odor there along with all the other symptoms, and the discharge is not white or cream, then it's more than likely bacterial vaginosis. But if this is your first time feeling these symptoms, definitely go to your doctor and make sure that he or she confirms what it is. Once you confirm what it is, then you can go from there. But this also helps with that. I think this is more of like a preventative thing to, you know, keep the BV away, which is why I recommend doing it after a new partner or a big body partner, like super big body. We're gonna throw you off. Like I'm so afraid of BV. It's crazy, and that's why I love this, because this, I feel like, keeps it away. Maybe it doesn't and I'm just delusional, but I feel like it truly does. Like, even when I'm smoking, I don't smoke with grabber, because when I smoke with grabber, it throw off my pH. I know I sound crazy, I know it sounds crazy, and all my friends who smoke call me crazy, but that's why I did. For the people who did not know, now you know. This is why I don't smoke with grabber, because it just throws off my pH. I don't like how my vagina smells after I smoke with grabber. I really don't. So I avoid it. I'll roll my old spliff. Like, if we're going out, I'll pre-roll my one joint so that I can have that at the event. And then me alone smoking it, I'm not going to smoke the whole thing. Especially since it's ital, like, I'm getting my high after like 6 pulls. Like, I'm good. Right. So that's what I got from Cookie Wash. Other than those things, what I use on the daily is African black soap. The one I use is from the brand OK. I literally bought one yesterday, but it's in the bathroom and it's also the packaging. So I'll insert a picture somewhere here for you to see what it looks like. Comes in 2 sizes. I got the smaller size because it does last a good amount of time. And I also use to wash my face after I take my makeup off. It's 100% natural. Coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, like literally all the good ingredients. There's no fragrance in there. You have a bunch of other companies that make black soap. Like, there's one I used to use called Doo Awesome, but Doo Awesome has fragrance in there, even though it's cheaper. Or maybe that is why it's cheaper, because it has that in there to help make up whatever. I don't know. Some of them have aloe vera. If you're allergic to aloe, don't use it. Just read the ingredients, see what's in there, and go from there. But I love it for my vagina. I love it for my face. Yes, all natural. That is it. On my vulva itself, which is the outer part, right here, I'll use my Dove sensitive wash, and I also have the ultra sensitive. I was testing out the two to see which one worked best with my skin, but honestly the sensitive is just fine. If you have the ultra sensitive, great. But yeah, that's what I use on my vulva. But like between the lips, because my own fat and spread it, so between the lips I use just lather up with the African black soap, go between there. I never push my fingers inside, because inside, like the actual vagina itself, it is self-cleaning, right? But as it's cleaning, it's releasing, removing the discharge, the unhealthy bacteria that's in there. Pushing anything up there is disrupting the good bacteria. Whatever is coming out of you is the bad bacteria, right? Which is why it's important to make sure that you're checking your panties, make sure you're checking your liners, make sure you're checking whenever you wipe, look at what's coming off when you wipe. Right? That's how you're going to know what is what and blah blah blah. Like, when I got the yeast infection, and because I wiped and looked at it, and I'm like, that don't look normal. It's not supposed to look so clumpy. And then I did my research and did what I needed to do and got it all taken care of. But that is thanks to boric acid. I recently, yesterday when I bought my replacement African black soap, I bought a turmeric soap. Prior to that, I had tried this one turmeric soap and cream, and it had fragrance in there, and I was using it on my face. It gave me the worst reaction of my life. It's only just now, and this was last year as I used this product. It's only just now to the day my face start clearing back up, right? So I'm saying, all right, it's probably because there's fragrance in the cream why it do me like that. So I'm like, all right, stop using it. Yesterday, now, when I bought my African black soap, I bought a turmeric soap as well. So I'm gonna try it with my enough self. Clean off my face with my coconut oil, wash my face with my African black soap, bam, wash my face with my turmeric soap. A rash right here, so right upon my forehead. I'm like, okay, it's clearly the turmeric, but it's a big size bar. It's like, I'll leave a picture up here for you to see. Same OK brand, all natural ingredients. Like, is the turmeric. My underarm is a little bit darker, as you can see, so I'm going to be using it there, and when the soap done, I'll see if it make a difference. And then at like my inner thighs, because I'm a dark skin girl and I'm a thicker girl, so there are certain parts that rub and get dark, right? I don't want to bleach it. I just want to even out everything, so I have like a nice graduation from my milk chocolatiness to my dark chocolate areas, right? If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I've had this since whoppy kill fill up. I'm now what, 35 this year. I will be perfectly fine, but still I get man. It's okay. So that's what I'll be using the turmeric soap for, because these parts aren't as sensitive. Not using it on my vagina, but like literally on my thighs and leading up towards the vulva area. Yeah, just like I said, there's a nice graduation of color there, right there. So, and my armpits are a lot less sensitive than my face, so hopefully the turmeric soap works well there. What else did I want to mention? I think that's it, you know. I really think that's it. I went, like I said, I went to my local cookie wash store. The last time I was there was when I got my wax, and that I also have a video of that whole thing. And she, Star, the owner, CEO, she redid the entire store. So now it's just a retail store in the front, and then I believe she's renting out, she turned them back into like salon suites where you can rent those out, right? I took a little bit of videos, so I'll insert them so you can see how cute the shop is. But all in all, and it's a cashless store, so only cards or Apple Pay or Google Pay or whatever. But all in all, super cute store. The staff was super friendly. No complaints. I'm excited to try my chlorophyll though. Yeah, I'm like a one drop. I'm gonna do it right now as soon as I come home. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Let's talk. This is the second upload. I'm not uploading on Saturday and Sunday, I don't think, but we're coming back again Monday. We're doing weekday uploads, saving the weekend just for, you know, just for me, just to have fun and relax, you know. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're going to try to upload. Please hold me to it. Don't bully me. Y'all be bullying me online and I don't like it. Do not bully me. But yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. If you have your own vagina routine, the products that you swear by, leave them in the comment section below. I don't use Summer's Eve, have never used Summer's Eve. I do not douche, I have never douched. Anything that has products in there that I cannot pronounce, I do not use it on my vagina. Yeah, and I have 2 boys, and I don't want to put their business out there. I was going to say, no, just know that they know how to clean themselves. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. Actually, I do know where I was going with that, but no, I'm not going to put their business out there like that. No, I'm not going to do that to them. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Praying for a son.